fostering national pride. National parks are safeguard the rich biodiversity of our planet. In India, we have many famous parks such as Jim Kashmir National Park in Uttarakhand. It is the first national park in India. It was established in 1936 to protect the endangered Bengal tiger. There are 104 national parks in India. Kaziranga National Park in Assam and Ranthambore National Park in Rajasthan. Each park has different animals like tigers, chimpanzees, and many beautiful birds. These parks enrich the visitors but often lack opportunity for learning, education, and spending time in national park has been shown to promote and physical well-being. Additionally, national parks are serve as economic angles, attracting millions of tourists and generating income for local communities. National parks are not merely landscapes; they are living museums, classrooms open to rivers, parks, exploration, enjoyment, and inspiration. Protecting these areas, we act as stewards of our planet, natural and cultural legacy, ensuring that the wonders of remain accessible for future generations. Let us all promise to protect them, make our planet cleaner and safer forever living. Conclusion: our national parks are national treasures, and they must be preserved and protected. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.